Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Doing another bison gear install. As you can tell, I really like their stuff. It's great. So today we're going to install a camping table. As you can see, I kind of already did it. So you're going to just follow along and see the steps I had to go through. It was kind of a difficult install with the platform that I have, but I've kind of captured it and everything. So stick along and see how I did it with the Rhino rack backbone system and the Alu-Cab LT-50. Well, not a lot of real estate to slide it in, but I made it work. If you're in the same predicament, this is the video for you. Anyway, welcome back to Destination to Nowhere, doing some installs. We're doing the camping table from Bison Gear today. Thank you for the instructions. It's pretty straightforward. You know, it's designed more for their rack or other higher racks. I was taking a look at mine, and it's going to be tough to get it in, but it's pretty straightforward. We've got the space. Just slap it all together and it slides in and out. So let's get this underway. So what I've done is I've put this into the track of the tent, and I'm going to move the tent forward about 4 inches and attach to the front, because unfortunately, if we come around the side, there's not enough room to fit between here and here, which is problematic. Definitely not there. And in the back, the gap between the bars and the Jeep itself is too tight. So I've had to improvise to get this one on, and I'll continue with what I'm doing here. You can see it's got to bump out quite a bit farther, but we'll see. Stay tuned. This is the table I'm setting up. You can see it was super tight. Unfortunately, I scratched a little bit trying to get it under the bar, but pretty awesome. I'm excited to have that stow and go table. So now I just need to slide the tent forward. Wish me luck. All right, let's get some bolts in there and see if we can't get this thing mounted up. So as you can see, the pieces, they come in 2 parts. Your bottom slide and then your top guide. So they are machined nicely, line right up. So what I'm going to try and do is get this one in here. Okay, let's try and slide this mamma jamma in there. Let's see exactly where we're at. Alright, so as of right now, it's seated. We got it in. That's not bad, but I'm seeing that I'm going to have to come forward just a little bit more. Which I'm already kind of over the back, so we'll see how this goes. Might have to move the awning to accommodate. Let's see. This is what I'm looking at here. So if you can see, the brackets I use to hold the tent down are interfering slightly. So I might be able to position these in a way that it'll work, but as of right now, I'm kind of in a bind. Let's see what happens. So I had to make a slight alteration to my mounts because it's kind of the only way to make this work. So let's put these in. Well, that was a tough go, but I think I might have it figured out. Look at that. Nice. Let's see here. Probably going to need to make some adjustments on this as it's there, but that looks pretty good. Let me show you how I did it. It's going to be hard to see in here, so I think I might grab my phone and cut to it right now. All right, you can see in there, I trimmed it and just took a longer bolt and ran to the mounts that I'm using. And it seemed to cinch it up a little bit tighter, which is fantastic. So just gonna tighten it all down, reattach the mounts, and we'll take a look at how it all came together. Watching?
Yep.
Okay, watch up here.